Would it be weird if I like... Hello everyone, my name is Sandra and thank you so much for tuning in. All right y'all, so my mystery bags from Ipsy finally came in. Well, 2 more of the, I think like 8 or 9 mystery bags I ordered came in. But here they are, super freaking cute. I want to say that this one was $14 and this one was $30. It took them a long time to send these. Like I ordered these almost 2.5 weeks ago. I ordered them when they first came out, but I'm happy to have them now. Let's get into it. Let's first look at this bag though. That is so freaking pretty and it's nice and smooth and it's got the cute little Ipsy. Okay, it says Ipsy on there, gang gang. I like this. I think this is really cute. The first thing I'm saying is by Pure Bliss. Is it Pure Bliss or Pure Less? Watermelon plus charcoal purifying cleanser. Ooh, so we got another cleanser. Mine is a little bit beat up. Let me try to fix her. That's what it looks like. I love the packaging, super cute. You know me, I love anything pink. Removes makeup, purifies and energizes the skin. It says it's for all skin types. I'm not gonna rub this in like I did the last time I had a cleanser, just randomly rubbing cleanser into my skin, but I will smell it. Oh, it smells like watermelon. It smells so good. Yeah, that smells good. I'm gonna love washing my face with this. Excuse me.
Cleansing
my face with this. The next item that I'm pulling out of here is by Pistache Skincare, and it's a pistachio oil hydrating moisturizer with vitamin E. This is what this looks like. Very simple packaging, and you just apply in the evening. Oh, okay, so this is the evening moisturizer. Okay, so we got a little moisturizer specifically for the evening. Okay, so it's definitely not full. Ooh. It's definitely not full because that first squeeze got nothing. It's not super sunny today, so I can't use my little sun test to see how much product is in here. I don't think it's that much in here. That don't smell good. It doesn't smell like it's rotten or sour. It just doesn't have a pleasant scent. I mean, what do pistachios smell like? I don't even know. But I mean, it's a cleanser. Well, not a cleanser. It's a moisturizer.
Rain, please work. Please work, Rain. Okay, work for the rest of the video, please. That's all I ask. Just work.
But yeah, it's a little moisturizer, and when it went into the skin very nicely. I'll be honest, it absorbed completely. I don't feel greasy or sticky or any of that. Like my skin actually feels really good. So that's probably a really good moisturizer for the evening. The next item that I'm pulling out is by Hey Honey, and it's a Boost It Up Honey Where's the N? Honey Rich Moisturizer. All day lasting nourishment and hydration. This is what this looks like. Very cute. Okay, get into it. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of this on my skin and see what it's working with. So it's just like a little light pink color. I already did my skincare for today, but you know, I'm just get a little boost up. I'm gonna boost it up. This too doesn't really have a scent to it. It just smells like skincare. You know, like that typical skincare smell, like Proactive. It just has like that proactive skincare scent. It's a moisturizer. I don't know what else to say. I can't tell if my skin feels sticky because of that or because of the other moisturizers and stuff that I put on. Ooh, this feels like squishy. This is by Jorganic. I think the Jorganic from Nature is a propolis clear peeling pad. I've never used a peeling pad before, so I don't know what this is supposed to do. Is it one of those things that you pull up and then you got all the gunk from your nose? It says it has 10 pads in it, so you get a decent amount. That's why it's resealable. For sensitive, oily combination skin skin types. My brain is just not functioning. For use after cleaning, take 1 pad and gently smooth over face with embossed side to remove dead skin cells and wastes in the pores, avoiding eyes and mouth. Flip over and use the other side to wipe away any remaining impurities. Gently tap in remaining essence on your skin. Follow up with the rest of your skincare routine. I mean, I guess it's just like an exfoliant, just exfoliant pads. So that's cool. And it's nice that you get 10 instead of just like 1, because at least with 10, I get to see some kind of difference with my skin. The last thing in my little mystery bag, is some makeup. I get mostly skincare in these bags, but it's always nice to get a little thing of makeup. This is by Lottie London, and it is a 4-piece eyeshadow palette. It's called the Rusts. Sound like a band. This is what this looks like. I mean, the colors are cute. Honestly, I feel like I have colors like this already, so I'm probably just gonna pass this along to somebody else unopened. So I won't be doing any swatches today. It's a decent little bag. I got a decent amount of stuff in there. A lot of skincare though. I gotta go back in and look at my profile and see what I said. I think I said surprise me. Wait. It's a mystery bag. Wait, what am I talking about? It's a mystery bag. It doesn't go off of my profile. Anyways, never mind. Next, we're gonna go into the full-size mystery bag. This one has the funniest texture. It feels very weird and gritty. When I saw it on the website, I thought it was gonna be furry. It just looked like it was gonna be like tiny little furs all over the bag, but it's clearly not that. But this is cute. It's got like a little design on it, like kind of like a marbling. It's got like a little bit of a marbling there, which I think is really pretty. And again, Ipsy, gang, gang, gang. So this first item, I'm definitely gonna go ahead and pass on to somebody else because I don't use these. We got some hair clips. Randomly just got some hair clips by Etika. I don't use hair clips, so I'm definitely gonna go ahead and pass this along to someone. What is there to say about hair clips? I mean, they're pretty colors. I like those colors. I just don't wear hair clips. I mean, I wear a little thing like this, not Invisibobbles, but I do wear little things like this. I don't wear hair clips. So I'm gonna pass this along to someone else. This next product is by Sonage, or is it Sonage? Sonage Protect Plus Mineral Sunscreen. Broad Spectrum SPF 30. Ooh, and it's water resistant. Okay. Bonjour, beautiful. That's funny. But this is what this looks like in the box. Let's see what she's working with inside the box. It's always good to have more sunscreens, especially since it's about to be summer, so it's good to stock up. This is Protect Plus Mineral Sunscreen, water resistant, cocoa butter, hyaluronic, bisabolol. I don't know if you can see that. Bisabolol. I just be reading some of the funniest words on these packagings. But yeah, it's just a sunscreen. Paraben-free, botanical ingredients, gluten-free. I don't understand the gluten-free when it comes to like skincare, makeup, and things like that. Like, I get the gluten-free when it comes to eating it. Does it like affect gluten-free people when it's like on their skin? I mean, maybe it does. I'm not gluten-free, so I don't know. Ugh. The cap is a little bit tedious. Let's see if it makes me Casper the Friendly Ghost. That's actually a lot. If it makes me Casper, it's not this thing's fault. It's my own for putting this much. Oh my God. Bruh. This is about to make me so orange. Oh my goodness. Actually, it's not making me orange, it made me pink. This is what I mean by Casper the Friendly Ghost. I guess this will be one of those that you put on underneath the makeup, but at least I'll be protected from the sun. This would be for underneath makeup. When I know I'm gonna wear makeup, I'll put that on. And then my other one that I got from my Allure Beauty box, I'll wear that when I'm not putting on any makeup because it doesn't make me ghostly. Talk about ghosting someone. I got ghosted by that damn SPF. All right, the next thing in here is by Julep Beauty. I actually think I got some makeup remover wipes from one of my glossy boxes from Julep Beauty. And this is Eyeshadow 101. Cream to powder eyeshadow stick. Ooh, okay. Smoky amethyst shimmer. That sounds fun. This packaging is super freaking cute. Love to see it. Let's see what she's working with. Ooh, this is actually really pretty. Okay, this is so cute. Get into that. That is so freaking cute. It's like got two sides. Oh, okay, so this is like a smudger, and then the actual color is right in here. That's a decent amount. It's like almost like a little purplish kind of color. It's very creamy. Ooh, that's pretty. That's actually really pretty. I don't know what you're supposed to do with eyeshadow sticks. It's really creamy. I will give it that. Okay, and then I guess you just smudge it. You just like... Wait, I feel like that just wiped off all the products. What the heck? Bruh, did it all just like disappear? Now I just look like I didn't clean all my makeup off from last night. I don't know. I'm gonna have to give this another test or watch a video, watch a tutorial on eyeshadow sticks because that didn't really do anything. And I feel like all the products is now on there instead of my eyes. Or maybe you're supposed to wait. Like, are you supposed to wait for it to dry down and then smudge it? Yeah, I just look like I didn't clean my face right. Moving on. The next item in here is by Grown Alchemist and is the Anti-Pollution Primer Anti-Pollution. Why is it written like that? It literally says Anti-Pollution Primer Anti-Pollution. Is that like their shtick? That's funny. It's got prebiotic peptide, anti-pollution shield complex, gonoderma extract, peptide oh wait, I think they just say the same thing, just in a different language. I'm not even gonna try to read that. Ooh, I definitely needed another primer, so I'm happy to get that. It feels cold. Like the packaging feels really cold. Ooh, it's like a jelly. You see that? It's like almost like a jelly. Put a little bit, let's see. I mean, primer is just skincare. Oops. I mean, it's a primer. I don't know what else to say. It's just a primer. It doesn't really smell like anything, which I'm actually happy to get a primer because I'm almost out of my current primer. Like it's on its last leg. Like I probably got one more little squeeze out of that little tube. So I'm happy to get another primer. And then the last item in here is by Aceology. Passion fruit why was I about to say repining? Passion fruit refine. Okay, take 3. Passion fruits refining lip scrub. This is what this looks like. Love this packaging. It's super freaking cute. Now I have a ton of lip scrubs, so this is just gonna have to go in line. Ooh, it smells really good. I'm gonna put a little bit on the back of my hand and see how much grit it has. Okay, it's got a little grit to it. It feels good. It's very fine. It smells so good. Bro, that smells really delicious. I like that. That's nice. Okay, yeah, I'm into it. This is good. This is good. It smells absolutely delicious. Would it be weird if I it don't taste like nothing. I probably wasn't supposed to do that. It probably says on there, do not consume. But yeah, that is everything in my 2 little bags. Lots of skincare, 2 makeup items, and then some hair clips. Was this as nice as the first set of mystery bags that I got? No. That first set was absolutely amazing. I loved that first set of mystery bags. I still have a few more mystery bags coming in, so I will unbox those for you as well. Hopefully the next bags that are coming in will be a little bit better, a little bit more exciting, okay? I wanna get excited when I see something in the bag. If you like this content, you already know what to do. Like, share, comments, and definitely subscribe so you can become a Faye. And I will see y'all with the next one. Deuces.